Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to completely remove the Windows Store in Windows 10. Type Store in search bar. Store is opening. Type PowerShell in search bar. Right-click PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Type get-apps package space - all users. Find Microsoft. Windows Store. Find the full package name. Copy the package full name. Type remove -apps package. Paste previously copied the package full name. Microsoft Store is removed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.